I'm Contessa Brewer at CNBC. We're watching the prediction markets surrounding event contracts on Iran over the weekend as the U.S. military was striking targets in Iran and Iran was striking targets across the Middle East. The prediction markets did incredible volume. For instance, Kalshi volume was up 23% month over month, according to Piper Sandler. We also saw similar growth for Polymarket. And Polymarket trading in particular grabbed a lot of attention because at least half a dozen trades came in right before the U.S. struck Iran, hours before, saying, yes, there would be strikes on February 28th. They were big bets. There was one trader in particular who made an $87,000 wager and netted more than $500,000 on that particular question. What we heard was Democratic lawmakers coming back with scathing criticism. Chris Murphy of Connecticut called it insane and said he would be introducing legislation immediately to ban these kinds of trades, what he called profiting off of war or death. On Kalshi, we saw a completely different scenario unfolding. The question of when the Supreme Leader would leave office resolved because the Supreme Leader was killed. Now, in the fine print, Kalshi had clearly laid out that if he were killed, this would be a market that would resolve to no. But there was a lot of pushback, a lot of criticism, either because people thought the market should resolve differently. After all, if you're dead, you can't continue in office, or by people who said it was simply too confusing. They didn't understand the fine print. To be clear, it is illegal to offer an event contract on death or assassination in the United States. And Kalshi says it did not do that. It did not profit off of this question. Tariq Mansour, its CEO and founder, took to X and posted not only an acknowledgement of all of the concerns and the complaints that had come in, but he also said he was working to make it better, that they would do better in the future. He said it was confusing, that they're going to clarify that in the future, and he refunded all the fees and the net losses from traders who had taken part in that particular question.